Hello and welcome to another Windows 10 tutorial. Sometimes network adapters can go missing. Usually this is related to updates or interference from other software. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few methods to hopefully solve the issue. We start with the easiest one. This is the built-in network troubleshooter from Windows 10. To do this, click on the Windows icon, followed by clicking on Settings. A new window opens. In here you want to select Network and Internet. Click on Status to continue. Now you can start the network troubleshooter. Simply click on it and the Windows 10 OS does all the rest. The troubleshooter does a few standard checks and it tries to reset certain network settings. This can take a minute or so. If the troubleshooter detects a problem or bad settings, it's either going to give you the option to implement a solution or it's going to fix it automatically. I don't have any problems at the moment, so there's nothing to implement for me. With some luck, this was enough to fix your missing network adapter. If not, we have more possible solutions to explore. You can leave the network settings menu open for later on. For the next method, we are going to use the device manager. Click on the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. In here, you want to go to the View menu first, which is at the top of the window. Click on it and then select the Show Hidden Devices option. Next, scroll down to Network Adapter. Right-click on it and select Scan for hardware changes. When this is done, there is one more thing to do here. Click the network adapters open. You are probably going to have quite a few adapters in here. What you want to do is update the drivers that are relevant. They usually start with Broadcom or Realtek. If you are in doubt, you can do this for other adapters as well. To update the driver, right-click on one of the network adapters and select Update Driver. Next, you can select the option to automatically search for updated driver software. This option is going to search for relevant files on your PC and internet. This shouldn't take that long. In my case, I already have the latest updates, so I can't install a newer version. If you don't have the latest version, Windows is going to install the update. Now would be a good time to restart the PC if you were able to update drivers. After that, you can check once more if this resolved your missing network adapters. If not, we have more options to explore. For the next method, click on the Windows search bar and type in Services. We want to make sure that certain settings are set and that the service is active. Click on it and a new window opens. Here you have an overview of the Windows services and if they are active or not. Scroll all the way down to WWAN AutoConfig. Double-click on it or right-click and select Properties. Startup type should be set to automatic. Change this setting if it is set to manual. If the service status is stopped, click on Start. This takes a few seconds. After this, you can check if the network adapters are back. If they are still missing, you can continue on to the next method. The next one is a bit more extreme, but it's not that risky and it has a decent chance of bringing back the missing network adapters. We switch back to the settings menu that we used at the beginning of the tutorial. In here, you can scroll down and select Network Reset. The network reset is going to remove and reinstall all of the network adapters on your PC. It's also going to set your network settings to factory settings. This could result in you having to reinstall additional networking software. Most of the time, Windows 10 still remembers the password of your Wi-Fi. It could be, though, that you need to enter it again. Click on Reset Now to start the network reset. A final warning from Windows. Click on Yes to continue. When you use the network reset feature, you need to restart your PC. With some luck, you have a working internet connection once more, and your network adapters are back to their old self. If not, I have a few alternative solutions that you can consider. These are a bit of a long shot, so I'll just mention them shortly. Sometimes a virus scanner interferes with your network settings. You could consider deactivating or uninstalling it. If you have a laptop, turn it off and then remove the battery for at least 10 seconds. This results in a short reset which could resolve the missing network adapters. Turn the laptop back on and check once more. Perhaps you want to take it to the next level by performing a complete factory reset of your PC. Keep in mind that this takes quite some time and that you need to back up your data. Hopefully your missing network adapters are missing no more. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more software or Windows 10 related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.